What's up guys? We're back with another drawing video. This time I'm going to show you how to draw a simple cartoon dog face, and you need a Sharpie for this tutorial. Let's start. So first we're going to draw the eyes. So we're going to draw a big round circle like this, and then we're going to draw the nose like this. And now we're going to draw another eye, and it's going to be a little bigger like this. And now that we're going to continue with the map like this, and then we're going to stop here. Same thing on the other side. And then finish it up with the chin. And now let's draw the smile. And then draw two dimples. And now let's draw the nose. And now let's draw the head. Starting like this. And then starting like this. And now the ears. And then we're going to draw one big smooth curve, and then I circle it all the way back here. And then we're going to draw a line like this. And then continue it like fur. And now the same thing for the other ear. And we're going to kind of do the same line. So as you can see, this ear is a little bigger than this one. It's because since it's happy, it's going to like wiggle around, and mostly its tail, as you can see. And now the eyebrows will be like this. And now let's draw the pupils. And now we're gonna draw a circle in these two, and then shade the outside. And hey, if you want, you can draw the tongue, because I forgot to mention that we're gonna draw the tongue. So curve like this, and then the tongue will be like this, and then one big here. We're going to kind of shade this inner part black, and here too. And now we're going to do the same thing here. Shade everything black, but except these parts. I mean this part, don't shade it in. But as I mentioned before, you don't shade this, but actually you can, but just watch closely. Don't just like shade it in quickly just like that. Only like shade it like this because there'll be a little red there showing that it is a mouth and not just some black shady thing. Let me get the colors so that you know what we're going to color with. And also just so you know, if you really want to shade, then that's fine. I'm just gonna do this so that it kind of looks better. And yeah, so it can be completely black. Now let me get the colors of how you're gonna color it. Okay. You're going to need peach. And then light brown. And blue. So for peach, you're going to like color in this part really lightly, but don't make it too dark because this is the dog's mouth bun thing. And then since this is the inner and it's like flipping its ears, you're gonna color this in peach, and then peach here too. And we're going to color the tongue peach, but you also can use red if you want. Like if you put peach in red, it'll make a better color. See how I'm coloring really lightly because it can blend in better. Oh, and also you can like color on the Sharpie so that it kind of looks better. And now we're going to use blue for the eyes. And I know we left it white, but I'll show you why. So we're going to put blue like this, like just like circle like that, but just leave some space too. Same thing for this one. Okay, and now after that, you're going to need brown because we're going to color most places brown, but I'll show you how you're going to do that. Okay. Okay, so that's how you're gonna use brown, but I'll show you how I colored this and why I left it white. So you might need this again, but watch closely. You're going to shade on the sides only, but lightly like this. And then the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to need white to kind of blend it in. And see how I'm actually blending it. We'll bring it closer. See, it's kind of making peach and white into something. And the same thing over here. And then we're going to color the rest in white. No, actually, you might not see white, but actually color the rest like this. And then use peach again. And if you color on the white, you'll see it better. But use it really, really lightly. And yeah, that's how you draw a simple cartoon dog. I hope you enjoyed this, but if you did, please give this a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos, check out my channel. And I also did some Lego videos. Check that out too. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.